Henrietta Lacks Health and Bioscience High School is a cutting-edge building in the eyes of Vancouver and Clark County leaders. Evergreen Public Schools received the Community Design Award, and for those who made the decision, the choice was an obvious one.
It's a very impressive building, yes. This was an easy winner. This is a great facility for Evergreen School District.
That from Martin Snell, Clark County's Community Development Director, who says all the entrants were judged on a long list of standards, from landscaping to environmental impact. But for Gila, Snell says it's the building's size and design that stood out.
Well, one of the things that impressed me was that it was a 3-story building on a very small parcel, I think about 3 acres in size. And it was situated in a neighborhood that was near the Peace Health Medical Center. So just looking at the building, the small footprint of it, and the 3-story structure, that impressed me at the very beginning.
For the district, the award highlights how to build a school for the 21st century.
Sue Steinbrenner, our Director of Facilities, and Mike Merlino, our Chief Operating Officer, that really put this on the map and got it done, as well as our Board of Directors who took a chance to make this project move forward, and I think it's going to be one of the great pieces of education in our community. So thank you very much.
For the designers of Gila High School, LSW architects, one of the biggest challenges, how to fit such a school in a small space.
I mean, it's a pretty sizable building. It's almost a 70,000 square foot building, 3 stories, but it's on about a 3-acre site. And that's about half the size of a typical elementary school.
As the committee chose Gila, Snell says they had an eye toward how schools need to be built in the future, given current land use needs. He says Evergreen Public Schools got it right.
I think in urban areas, in cities for schools, we're starting to see more multi-structure, multi-level buildings, not just a single story. When you have a limited land supply in a city, land's expensive. It's a scarce commodity, and especially in a neighborhood when you're trying to make a building fit within a neighborhood without it being looming large over a residential neighborhood. They did a really nice job.
The design had to take into account the school's need for these nursing stations, along with a pharmacy, chemistry lab, and biotech area, providing spaces for hands-on learning for students seeking careers in the medical and healthcare fields. The award also points out Gila's innovative high-tech qualities, something the architect had to build into the school from the start.
To create a school that's an effective learning environment, we have to take into account things like acoustics and daylighting and solar glare control and good ventilation. I mean, there's a number of things that go into a building that either meets LEED or the Washington Sustainable Schools protocol.
It's very high tech. A number of innovations with they have photovoltaic cells that move shades. Interior lighting and high efficiency fixtures. They have radiant floor heating. So all of those kind of technological advances in building construction are taken advantage of in this particular facility.
Beyond the pride that comes with receiving this award, the recognition could mean that elements of Gila High's innovative design may be seen in future schools in years to come.